Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping activity so nothing changes while you remove OneDrive. First, sign in with an administrator account and unlink your OneDrive from settings so files stop syncing. Once done, pause sync and right-click the OneDrive icon in the system tray to exit the app. Make sure to disable OneDrive on startup in Task Manager so it won't relaunch. This prevents file conflicts during removal and keeps the process predictable and safe. You now remove the installed components. If OneDrive appears in Settings apps, uninstall it there first for a clean path. If it persists, open an elevated PowerShell and use getapps package or widget entries to identify and remove apps package the OneDrive package. This removes the modern app layer. Then, stop any OneDrive-related service from services, MSC, and delete leftover folders in %local app data %. You finish by cleaning residual settings so Windows forgets OneDrive. Carefully delete OneDrive keys under HKCU/software /Microsoft /OneDrive and check HKLM for service entries. Back up the registry before changes. Remove any saved OneDrive credentials in Credential Manager and reboot the system to apply changes. Verify no OneDrive processes run and folders are gone. If something goes wrong, reinstall OneDrive and perform the uninstall sequence again. Or use system restore to return to a stable point as a reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.